This is the Sole Insole Ramp. It's a very versatile device made of a soft, flexible gel that can be used to help a variety of foot ailments. It ramps up from thinner to thicker. The thickest area is about 1/8 inch. You can stack these by peeling off the back, sticking them together, and now you have a ramp that goes to 1/4 inch thick. The ramps can be placed in a variety of ways. We first recommend if you have a removable liner or if you have an insole, you can place it on the bottom side of the insole. Depending upon your needs, you might want to place them on the inner side of the heel for overpronation. Overpronation is when the ankles are dropping inward, the arches are dropping, so this can help to rebalance the foot and stop it from falling inward. The opposite issue is called oversupination. Oversupinating is when the foot tilts to the outside when walking. Oftentimes you'll know that you oversupinate if you wear out the outer corners of the heel edges of your shoes. And this is the placement for oversupination. For added arch support, you can place the ramp in the arch area of the insole. And depending upon how much you need, you could double this up. And lastly, you can place this in the forefoot area to help offload pressure from the metatarsal heads. So rather than placing it right under where the pain point is, you place it right behind so that it somewhat suspends the bones by dropping off right behind those bony protrusions to offload pressure and redistribute that pressure more evenly across the foot. Another option is to place the ramps on the top side of your liner or insole. This would be the placement for overpronation. You could also place it a little bit more forward if that's more comfortable for you. You could place it for added arch support here. Oversupination would be right here. Or added metatarsal support. And this also just depends upon where you're feeling the most pain and where you need to offload the pressure the most. It starts from thinner and goes to thicker and drops off. You can also place the ramps directly onto a sandal. That would be placement for overpronation, oversupination, arch support, or metatarsal support. Lastly, if your shoe does not have a removable liner, you can place the ramps directly into the shoe. It's okay for it to curve up the inner wall of the shoe like that. That would be placement for pronation or for oversupination. Also, you can do arch support or metatarsal support. When the insoles get dirty and less sticky, you can wash them under water, scrub all the dirt off, and set them out to air dry, and the adhesive will renew. If water isn't enough to clean them up, then you can use a degreaser type dish soap. Wash them off really well with water and then set them out to air dry so that you can use them again. If they eventually lose their adhesive altogether, The package also comes with double-sided tape. So this can renew an old pair of ramps, or you could use it for a more semi-permanent adhesion to your shoes. Some materials adhere more strongly to the adhesive on the gel insole than others, so if it's not adhering strongly enough, then you've got double-sided tape, which will adhere to those other types of materials. Please reach out to us if you have any questions at all, and we hope you enjoy the Sole Insole Ramp.